Alright, another scary looking one. Let's see how this goes. Should we maybe just take a second and rewrite this power of 2 on the sign as follows? Eventually you won't have to bother doing this when you get used to it, but maybe it's a good idea we do that now. So let's see what we got here. We have a power of 4 on the outside, and then we got to work our way inside. Notice inside the power of 4 we have a sum, this plus this, and then a power of 3. This one's going to get confusing. I hope I don't make a mistake. So let's take our time here. 4 comes to the front, all of this stuff to the power of 3, and then the derivative of all that stuff. So I'm just going to recopy that stuff in there. I'm actually going to keep that squared there because having that extra set of brackets I find makes stuff more confusing. It's supposed to actually help, but I think in this case it actually looks more confusing. So I'm going to keep it like that. So everything is looking okay so far. Now we have to work on this derivative, right? So what do we have? I'll just recopy this stuff. Got to make sure not to make a mistake in the recopying step. Now the derivative of this is a sum, this plus this. So the derivative of this is simple, it's 1. Now we have to tackle the derivative of this. So this 3 is going to come out front. Power of 2 times the derivative of that stuff, right? What is that stuff? X plus sine squared x. And that's coming along. Really all we have to do is this derivative now. Unfortunately I have to recopy all this crap. So just bear with me. And this stuff. Alright, derivative of this is easy. 1 plus. Now the derivative of sine squared, like we saw here, the 2 is going to come out front, times sine x to the power of 1 times the derivative of sine x, which is cos x. Now that bracket closes that bracket, and we have one open bracket remaining there, and we close that off like that. And there it is. So that one's a little bit confusing, but if you take your time, it's not too bad. So I hope you understood that one.